Good morning. It's so hot today. I feel really thirsty.
Not here. I want something cold to drink. Maybe ice cream?
I prefer coffee. Coffee is so refreshing.
Coffee is delicious.
Yes, of course. What flavor of tea do you like, Ata?
I like the orange tea. Great. Maybe we try. Let's go.
Yes, let's go together.
Have you got a drink?
I have oatmeal.
I love milk tea.
I have coffee.
That's interesting. What do you think about favorite tea?
I think the milk is creamy and delicious.
And I think tea is good and very nice.
I think coffee. Coffee is favorite drinks for energy. And I think milk mixed with tea tastes of good.
Yes, I agree. It feels like fun.